After I applied the final coats of clear, I set the body aside to cure for a couple of days, moved on to the interior and chassis. Now that's all completed, the body is cured, I could move on to painting all of the moldings around it, and then start to add some final details to all of the clear parts, tinting the clear parts, adding some details to the body with some bare metal foil for the reflective surfaces behind the lights, and then of course start assembling it all. The chassis and interior are now put together, all of the painted parts are cured, and I could move on to starting to add some details here and there on the body. First off, I'm going to start adding some reflective surfaces behind some of the clear parts, and then I'm going to move on to assembling some of those clear parts and putting it into the body. With the body, chassis, and interior now all put together, I can move on to add the rear glass, also start applying some of the other body panels like the spoiler, and start test fitting out the wheels and putting them in place permanently. Some of the clear parts also got a little bit of black marker around the edges to make them a bit more realistic and add that rubber that is usually around them. The big panel for the sunroof was also glued in. I just added some glue on the front as I wanted it to sit up in the rear a bit to have it halfway opened. With all of the separate parts and pieces now glued on, I was just left with a couple of final details, starting it off with adding some gold to all of the bolts on the wheels as requested by the customer, and also tinting the rear lights a bit more than I did in the beginning of the video. I thought it was enough, but it really wasn't, so I added a couple more layers of smoke with a brush. And finally, some of the locks on the rear and on the side were painted with some silver. I added a couple of decals on the center of the wheels, and this build is finished.